Hello YouTube, today I'm having an unboxing from lightake.com. I have received 2 packages, so let's get open it to see what is inside. Here we have a 60 centimeter SATA cable. It's a single SATA cable, and it was also an adapter, but I use it on my computer because it was an emergency. It took less than a month, and it's a very good website. I totally recommend it. And this is an adapter. It's a USB charger for my iPod. I bought it because I'm going on holidays in Europe and my UK style doesn't work. So it was on promotion for 99 cents and free shipping, and it looks very nice. Also, you can see this unboxing in full high definition, and thanks for watching. Please comment and rate.